Yeah, Gabby, I can see you. You're hoping that he doesn't eat and you get to. You're not the only kid on the block that can do these big rats. The Macroviper mortanicas can do them. Come on, Sniffs. I see you, Gabby. Come on, Sniffs. You guys can't see it, but the rat's tail was hanging down on the glass of the synchronized eating team, and as I'm moving it around, the snake is following it. Hey, Sniffs, you got to reposition slightly so you can get this properly. Okay, come on. Wow. Oh, yeah, Sniffs, you repositioned. What's wrong with these snakes? Snakes that don't normally get snappy are really, really snappy. And there I go. Sniffs just a hair out of frame. Darn. Alright, well, we'll let Sniffs consume it and not waste any tape. That's in a relatively good position. He should be able to get that down, no sweat. And it looks like Spike has reached the end of it's about at the hips of the rat, so it's as good as gone. I'll have to make sure I turn her heat up so she can digest that monster. You can see the synchronized eating team down below, hopefully wishing for that rat to fall in their direction, but it's not. And here we are monitoring Mr. Sniffles' progress. He has the head properly aligned to go down the chute and is actually working towards that means. Now here's an interesting view of Mr. Sniffles using his big old meat hooks. And apparently I wounded myself in the process of avoiding something in here, and I'm bleeding. Those are some big fangos there, Mr. Sniffs. Whoa, those are biggies. How's that? Yes, hi Gabby. Gabby's pupils are back to normal, but I'm still pissed at her. But, you know, she's only being an animal, and she's only acting on instinct and everything else. Right, I know. So that's why it's up to me to take the precautions and not up to Gabby to take the precautions. Because Gabby is just acting on millions of years of instinct, and I'm just an innocent bystander trying to stay the hell out of the way. Oh, you're gonna yawn now, huh, Gab? Oh, those are some serious meat hooks, Sniffs. Excuse me, I'm adjusting this little tripod system so we can tilt up a little bit better. You almost got it licked, so to speak. Yeah. Don't you? Oh man, that's a succo shot up the rat's butthole. I don't want that. Good job, Mr. Sniffs. Look at that. About 4 inches from Mr. Sniffs, since he gets very weirded out. I am going to stay back a ways. I don't want him to get all upset, eject the rat, and go hissing and thrashing to the rear of the cage the way he sometimes does. Well, there's that big yawn from Gabby. We missed it this time. Hey, good job, Sniffs. You got it over the hump there. Now, this is as close to Mr. Sniffles Cam as I can get. Now again, I'm holding the tripod. The rat's tail is in the lens. Oh, these are awesome shots. How's that, Sniffs, huh? Special Mr. Sniffles Cam. Oh, hello. Hello, Sniffs. Wow. As long as he's okay with it. He hasn't demonstrated that he's not okay with it. And I am very much so at a safe distance. So even if he did weird out, and he's looking a little bit stressed right now, so I will back off. You know, you have to accommodate the animal as well as getting some nice shots for you folks. And you know, he let us get really close there at the end, and you know, he was looking a little funny at me, and so I took that as a hint to back off, and being respectful of Mr. Sniffs and not trying to weird him out and stuff, I did that. We're back on the tabletop now, and seeing if Mr. Sniffs will actually yawn. I would imagine he would, since that was a real heavy-duty meal for him. Mr. Sniff seems to be sniffling. Oh, was that good, Sniffs, huh? Yeah, you bet. Oh, there we go. Oh, there it is. Good job. Okay, Sniffs. Good boy. Okay, now we're going to close this. Go on back. You're okay. There you go. That was more than enough food for you today. Don't give me that. But I'm still hungry. Look. Alright. See you later, Mr. Sniffs. I gotta fill Mr. Sniff's water bowl later. He's low. And I'm sure he'll be looking for a drink later. Alright, now on to bigger and better things.